Hi, I'm Chris.
And I'm Zoe.
Welcome to the Dual Kitchen. What are we making today?
I'm making chicken with broccoli. We're gonna chop up some broccoli first. I don't like my hands to touch the meat, so I got this off. So you don't cut the whole flower part, because when you cut the flower part, it's just gonna fall apart. So you want to do is you cut like that on the stem. So you're just breaking them apart. Kind of like family for 4 to 6 people, because I always make more and then we can just put it in the refrigerator, heat it up for lunch. I'm using like 3 broccoli. It's called crown. Now I'm not sure, do you guys like your broccoli to be like really soft, or you guys like to have the crunchy texture? How about you?
I like soft.
Yeah, me too. I like soft. So we have the water boil already. A little bit of oil. You're gonna put your broccoli in. Now I said that earlier, I like softer, so I'm gonna let them boil.
How long?
I don't really count the time, I just look at the color. 5 to 10 minutes. Now the broccoli is kind of done. I don't do it all the way to what I like. We're gonna cook a little bit more after with the chicken. Put it aside, and then we're gonna do the chicken now. Cut just a little bit piece like that.
So like strips?
If you see some fat, you don't chop it out.
How many chicken thighs?
Now we're gonna heat up the skillet and put oil and salt. I like to put the salt on the bottom, and then...
Do you marinate the chicken?
Nope, this is the seasoning right now. So we don't need a lot of oil because the chicken itself is kind of got fat in it already. I put the salt down. Now I'm gonna put the salt on top as well. So both sides have seasoning. A little bit of black. Just wait a little bit. You don't move it yet. Smells super good. Just let it cook.
How high temperature?
It's high. So it's probably at least 10 minutes. You just lower a little bit to make sure all the chicken is cooked fully. It's so good.
Golden brown.
Golden brown. Alright, I'm going to taste test one of these. It's really good. Now we can turn it off and then just set it aside. And we're going to use some garlic. Put the garlic in. Do you like garlic?
I like garlic.
I love garlic.
This is good.
Ooh, it smells so good. Drain all the broccoli water. Put this in. Give it a stir. It smells super good. And we're gonna add all the chicken into it with the sauce. Now we're gonna give it a good mix.
You don't use the wok technique where you like shuffle, shuffle, shuffle?
I can't do it. It's too heavy. We're gonna have to add some sauce in. So
How many sauces do you add in?
I actually didn't measure. I normally just look at the color. I would say probably 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Oyster sauce. Again, I don't know how much I put it in. I would say 1.5 tablespoons. And then I'm gonna add some chicken powder. 1 to 2 teaspoons. My heat is still on high. You can put medium if you want, because this is kind of really fast. So I'm just gonna mix them up real quick. I'm gonna just get all the mixture. Now let's see the color, okay? Pretty good. I will want just a little tap of soy sauce maybe. Now the soy sauce is at the saltiness. Oyster sauce is at the sweetness. So if you like more sweet, then you add more oyster sauce. And if you want more salty, you're gonna add some more soy sauce. If you turn medium earlier, you're gonna turn it up to high heat. The cornstarch water. I'm gonna give it a mix. Give it a big good mix. So you're gonna want to pour a big circle pour in, and then you're gonna have to keep mixing it because it's gonna thicken the sauce now. And you want a high heat so that the sauce mix with the cornstarch, and then it will make the sauce thick. Now if you like spicy, I like to add a little Thai chili on top. Alright, turn off the heat. Now there you have it. Oh, I'm gonna taste test real quick. Chicken. I'm gonna get some rice with broccoli and chili. It tastes so good.
Happy eating! Thanks for watching our video. And if you enjoyed this video and like to see more, please comment, like, and subscribe. Let us know of any recipes you'd like to see us do in the comments below. You can also follow us on Instagram at Duo Kitchen.